3.
Economic vitality is critical to the quality of life for Montgomery County residents, and to continue to support economic growth here, Council President Nancy Navarro and her colleagues have unveiled a new economic development platform designed to leverage our existing assets with continued investments.
It is clear that there are so many different businesses, small, medium, large, that make a conscious decision to move to Montgomery County because they recognize that we have all the elements that come together to provide a really amazing environment for business, and also to raise your family and for your employees to raise their family. So I think it's really important to recognize that and to acknowledge that, and also to share that as much as possible.
Our job growth is no longer enough, in my view, to support the kind of quality of life that we have enjoyed for decades, and we are not creating our share of the jobs in the region that we historically have created, which means that as the economy continues to grow and evolve, Montgomery County residents won't be able to work in Montgomery County if these trends continue. They're going to have to increasingly be on a long commute to Northern Virginia or into DC, and that's not the quality of life that we want for our residents.
The four-pillar approach looks at housing, transportation, workforce development, and business development, and making strategic investments in each of those areas. Officials say decreasing the cost of doing business here and a positive business climate are just a couple of the key areas highlighted in the platform.
We needed something very high level, a platform of sorts that recognize what are the areas that should be priorities if we want to really, truly continue to be and enhance our position vis-a-vis economic development.
Those pillars of economic development and the business climate that ensures that our companies are successful, those are relevant to our ability as a community to build for the future and assure that we have the right kind of talent here.
Each council committee will be charged with developing action items for each pillar of the economic development platform, recommendations on budget, policy changes, or legislative measures that would enhance the county's economic growth would then be brought before the full council for consideration. Council members hope this new approach will send a message that Montgomery County is truly open for business. Reporting from Rockville, I'm Susan Kennedy.